I am Amar and from Dhiway. We are one of the new founding members of LFDT or Decentralized Trust. We joined it mainly because of the renaming. Means we have been aware of Hyperledger for long. And it's a old community, but we always felt that it was a project-specific foundation. By renaming it to Decentralized Trust, we really like it because there are so many activity happening in open source. Like our project, Cord, is also open source. Like we come from Red Hat, both the founders. So we were aware of open source since last 2 decades, but we could not join Hyperledger or anything, right? We had joined Trust over IP earlier because that's the space we worked in. But this renaming, I feel, is a great move. It allows multiple projects who are working to solve the similar problems to come together. And we were here for even maintainer days, last 2 days. It was good. I mean, meeting with the maintainers, seeing everybody trying to solve the same problem. We could come up with a lot of collaboration ideas. It's a good experience. Happy to be here.